Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I did this glueless install on this wig from Unice hair. Unice went ahead and sent me a 20-inch ginger colored body wave wig, so you could do curls with this wig, you could straighten this wig, and you could crimp this wig like I did. And if you want to see how I installed and did the crimps on this wig, just keep on watching. I did not use any hairspray. These crimps are definitely gonna last. I could already tell because of how soft this hair is and how immaculate the quality is. And for the first time, I could actually pluck a colored wig. The knots on the wig were really soft and easy to manipulate, so that was just also perfect. I felt more comfortable and confident installing this wig because it was just so easy breezy. If you'd like to see how I install, just keep on watching, and the links to this wig from Unice hair will be in the description box for you to purchase if you would like to. And just any other hair, they sell, you know, regular black wigs and other colored wigs. They have a variety of just wigs, hair, period, on their website, so definitely go ahead and check it out. And I'll stop rambling, let's jump into the video.
Stallion, it ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50 love the way you split it. Put a rack, so we split it, babe. Let a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. All the eyes back in my head, make my clothes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, work my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50 love the way you split it. Put a rack, so we split it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. You stay flexing on me, yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, work my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. True house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm elated that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Oh. Oh. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or
when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate Top. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. How the story goes, brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow when I went flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
Finished look. This is the 20-inch ginger color body wave wig that Unice sent to me, and this is what I did with it. I feel like this goes really well with my skin tone, seeing that I'm dark. I love the color of this wig. I don't know, I feel like, I don't know, personally I would root this hair so that it's darker at the roots and this color, but I could always do that after. This hair is perfect because it is 100% glueless, So this is literally the perfect drag on, drag off, you know, extravagant wig, something you wear to pop out. So I'm here for it. This wig is really nice quality. I'm loving just everything about it, the fullness of the hair, how soft it is, and the fact that these crimps are definitely gonna last a long time. I probably would have this last for 2, 3, 4, 5 days, depending on how much I wear it. You know, glueless wigs, you pop them off to sleep, put them back on. So this is perfect. This is the perfect style to do on this wig, of course. And baby hairs were easy to do. Like, everything with this wig was super easy breezy. So if you would like to purchase this unit, which I would highly recommend, it is a cute pop out wig. The links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much to Unice for sending me this gorgeous wig. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one.